So this is the third night that I've been trying to catch this mole. So I got home this evening and I have walked down his mole run. I actually creased it into the ground. Everywhere that he went, I creased the ground. And hopefully in about 20 to 30 minutes, he's going to be moving again. We shall see. Okay, it's been 24 minutes and he's starting back through his run. Buddy, you are a tough one. All right. Well, I sat here for almost 20 minutes waiting for him to start moving again. Seemed like a long time. But once you push their runs down, they don't push them back up always as high as they did before. And it's a lot harder to see them move. You really got to watch to see them move. But you can do it. If you want to catch a mole like this, you just got to walk those runs down and then come back and check them. The key is checking the runs over and over and over for him to move again. God bless you all from the MOLiminator.